these words that we're just doing. So let's take the first one, and what you can do is bombard me with sweets, which is always good fun. So I'm going to use Philip's example. So I'm going to use, we're going to finish a shot with a word. I'm going to go, range! Okay? This is, there's a purpose to this. It's the purpose which is aim! Yeah? But it makes you go through with the word. Okay? Very good. And drill.
Drill.
Whoa, yeah, I love that. Love it, love it, love it. Dodge. Just throw another one.
Dodge.
Very good. Very good. I'm getting better. Bend.
Bend.
Ooh. Marks out of 10. Paul, don't let him bully you like that. Have another go. What I want from you is the D, the bend. Bend.
Bend.
Yes! Much better. You have to work that hard. It's uncomfortable, ladies and gents. It's uncomfortable to be made to work this hard. For some of you, for me, it's entirely natural because I've been doing it all my life. But for you, I know it's harder. But you have to go there a little bit, okay? We have to take that step and go, I'm going to have to go to a place I'm not used to if I'm going to be understood at a distance and be clear and get my message across. What are those hands doing, dear? Just be for me. Just be. I love your earrings. They're fantastic.
She had one the other day.
Does she? She obviously likes them, obviously new.
Yes.
I'm going to be present for your earrings because they're just really rather fabulous. That's good. Does it make you feel, is it difficult for you, isn't it, a little bit?
A little bit.
A little bit. That's all right.
To be honest, I'm honest, yes.
No, absolutely. Absolutely, be honest, it's absolutely fine.